Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to demonstrate how we apply our clothes water. So all I'm going to need for this process is my well prepared clothes water, and I'm going to use my leave-in conditioner. So again, I guess I'm going to need my comb. And then so I'm going to add and I'm done with applying it to my hair. I'm going to go ahead and change the lids to this one. So these bottles, you can get them at pep store. It's about $50. There are about 4 of them. That's this one, and the one with the round lid that you can use too. So for my scalp, I'll be using this. Yes, I'm going to go ahead, divide my hair into sections. I'll take my massage it to the scalp. I'll open up. Make sure that you apply this to the scalp, not to your hair. Remember, your hair grows from the roots. So after having this section of hair, I'm going to try by all means to I'm gonna go on and do with my leave-in conditioner. It does come out but little, so I have to press a little, not too much of it. As you can see, it's slippery, so rub it in your hands and then you apply it to the portion of hair that you've done. Go ahead. Minutes with this plastic on my head. That's going to help generate some heat, and that heat will help the cloves water to easily absorb to my hair and to my scalp. So after 20 minutes, I'm just going to remove it and leave my hair to dry out naturally. Having shared this much with you, thank you for watching until the end. See you in my next videos. But if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and click on that red subscribe button. Thank you and bye. Love you.